Tired of wrestling with giant DocuSign envelopes containing multiple documents that need separate attention? I'm here to show you how to easily separate documents within a single DocuSign envelope, giving you the power to manage each file individually and assign specific signing roles for a much smoother workflow. Alright, let's dive in first. Open the DocuSign envelope containing the combined documents you want to separate. Make sure you are in the Prepare view. Next, look for the Actions drop-down menu. It's usually located near the top of your screen. Click on the Actions menu, and from the list, select Separate Documents. This will initiate the separation process. DocuSign will now visually represent your document, allowing you to define where each separation should occur. You'll likely see dotted lines or some other indicator. Simply click and drag the separation lines to precisely define where one document ends and another begins. You can add or remove these lines as needed to ensure accurate separation. Once you're satisfied with the separation points, click the Separate button, usually located at the bottom or top of the screen. DocuSign will then process the document and create individual files within your envelope. Now that each document is separate, you can assign specific signing roles and recipients to each one. This allows you to tailor the workflow for each document's unique requirements. Finally, review your envelope to ensure everything is set up correctly, and then send it out for signing. You've successfully separated your documents and streamlined your DocuSign workflow.